The report is provided within BESS in PDF format. Generate your PDF BESS report by selecting View Report in the sidebar. To navigate from your report back to the project, simply use the back button in your browser. The BESS report has a standardized front page which shows key project details, the overall project score and the category scores. Visual cues such as colors are used to communicate whether a project has passed overall and has passed categories with minimum scores or mandatory credits. A QR code on the report can be used by anybody with a QR code reader to access an online version of the report, but note that this does not give access to the entire BESS project. A credit summary section allows a quick check of the credits achieved and the remaining opportunities. Credit scores are displayed numerically and graphically. The graphs also show the relative weightings of each credit within a particular category. All credits available to each project are shown in this section. The credit breakdown section of the report displays all information entered by the user in BESS. For example, this development, which has the same water fixtures and fittings for each of the dwellings. Your report is in draft form until it is published. The Publish Report button lives in the left sidebar. When you are ready to publish your report, simply click this button and follow the prompts. You'll be notified if your project isn't achieving a pass in one of the categories, or if the required documents and evidence have not been supplied. At this point, you can either return to your project and address these, or continue by pressing OK. If you choose to continue, there is another confirmation screen where you select Publish Report. Remember that only published reports should be submitted to the Council as part of a planning permit application. Once your report is published, you can view the report or close the alert and BESS takes you back to the projects page. From here, you can view the report directly without opening the project. You can view any of your reports from this page at any time for any published projects. You can open a read-only published version of your project. You can also open and edit the live version of your project. If you choose to edit your project further by opening the live editable version, you will notice when you first open it that the Publish button is disabled. This is because there have been no changes since the last published version. If you select View Report here, you'll be taken to the latest report, which is the published version. Once you edit any field in your project, the Publish button becomes enabled. View Report will then take you to the latest report, which is now your current draft version.